A warm welcome to Spoken English Challenge, Spoken English 30 Days Challenge. So, in this Spoken English 30 Days Challenge, we are in 6th day. Like previous sessions, in this session also, we have 10 sentences in Telugu. We have to translate them in English. Okay? Are you ready? Now, the first one. నేను కొన్ని రోజులు ఆఫీస్కు దూరంగా ఉంటాను. In English, it will be written like this. I will be out of the office for a few days. I will be out of the office for few days. Next. దయచేసి నేను మేనేజర్తో మాట్లాడవచ్చా? Let's write this in English. Can I speak to the manager, please? Can I speak to the manager, please? Okay. Now, next one. మీ హాబీలు ఏమిటి? What are your hobbies? What are your hobbies? Next. ఈ రోజు ట్రాఫిక్ భయంకరంగా ఉంది. The traffic was terrible today. The traffic was terrible today. Okay, next one. మీకు ఏవైనా అలర్జీలు ఉన్నాయా? Do you have any allergies? Do you have any allergies? Next. నడకకు వెళ్దాం. Let's go for a walk. Let us go for a walk. అది మంచి పాయింట్. అది మంచి పాయింట్. That is a good point. It is a good point. Next. దాని గురించి ఆలోచించడానికి నాకు కొంత సమయం కావాలి. I need some time to think about it. I need some time to think about it. మిమ్మల్ని సంప్రదించడానికి ఉత్తమమైన మార్గం ఏమిటి? What is the best way to contact you? What is the best way to contact you? తేలికగా తీసుకోండి. Take it easy. Take it easy. Okay, friends. Let's meet in the next session in 7th day. Thank you.